I pulled up to Eloise Market and Cakery for a king cake making class. They have tons of cake making classes for different holidays. Check them out. The vibes was right. The place was cute. They had the music blasting. They set us up with our cinnamon sugar and flour. We had to put our little aprons on, some gloves. They got our dough together for us. Then we had to flour our surface, get our individual dough. She showed us how to roll it out. We got everything floured and got to rolling. Look at my mama, y'all. She was having a great time. Hey, mama. Until our dough was flat like this. Then we poured on all that cinnamon sugar as much as you wanted. I used all of it and spread it out until it looked like this. Then you had to roll the king cake up. Make sure you pinch the seam so nothing could come out. Flip it over. Then you had to put one side inside the other. I was terrible at that, but I got it done. It was going in the oven anyway. This is what it looked like. They put it in the thing to proof for 15 minutes. While that was going on, we played a little bingo. People was drinking. This BYOB. This is what they look like after they proof. Then they pop it in the oven to bake. If you didn't know king cakes had babies inside, they had tons of babies for us to pick from. This will be picked. And then they come out the oven. She buttered them all up. You get your king cake box. She drop them in there. Look how it's glistening with that butter. It looks so good. I poked the hole in there and popped my baby in there. We let it cool for a little bit, and then you get the icing. This was so fun. The owner was so cool and funny, and she even gave us a recipe for a king cake if you wanted to make it at home. But I was icing that thing up. It look immaculate already, but Mardi Gras colors are purple, green, and yellow, so I got my little decoration on. Y'all know I'm an artiste. Then the king cake is done. Everybody get to take their own king cake home. This is a great date night or girls' night out or just something fun for yourself. Check out Eloise Market and Cakery for their classes and their sweets.